Look at this. Look at that right there, y'all. Let's spin it, man. See that right there?
You want the hot onions?
So one bag.
You might as well go for the hot onions. Since he asked me, y'all, I'm gonna go for the hot onions. Y'all know we here. This is history, man. Them jokers starting to smoke, y'all. Look, y'all, I got that hot dog. Word is born, family. We back out here at Tony's hot dog truck. Look, I'm gonna get onions, I'm gonna get chili, and I'm gonna get cream cheese. Got family here from Columbus, Ohio in the house, the Buckeye State. Show them what real hot dogs taste like.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up? What's up? What's up? So what's the rapper that everybody say you look like?
Fresh Montana.
Oh, yeah.
What you got? What do you want?
I'm gonna get the sticks, onions, chili, and cream cheese. That's too much?
No.
Okay.
You gotta remember.
I'm making it, y'all. Look, I know y'all be like, you got cream cheese on a hot dog? That's how we do it here.
Oh, yeah. You want the hot onions?
You might as well go for the hot onions. Since he asked me, y'all, I'm gonna go for the hot onions. Y'all know we here. This is history, man. This is Tony's.
What else you want on it?
Chili.
Spicy or not?
One bag's just gonna have two.
Not spicy. Nah, since I got the spicy onions, I won't get this spicy chili. Keep working, y'all.
One mustard and kraut and one hot onion.
Sticks, right?
Yes.
One mustard kraut, hot onions.
Okay, that's in one bag.
One
Yeah,
bag.
and then all this is separate. So one chili dog.
Just chili?
Yeah.
Regular
Matt,
spicy.
Spicy.
You eating this right now?
Huh? I'm gonna eat it right now. Yeah, he gonna pay for it. He's getting more for him.
Who's better than you?
Three mustard.
There we go, y'all. You know we at Tony's. Thank you. We got the Tony's. I got that cream cheese on the chili and onions. Got the hot onions and got the sticks. Look at the bread, y'all. That bread looks fresh. Look at the hot dog. You know it got a snap on it because it's got the skin on them Johns. Like I was saying, enough talk. I get that from my boy Badlands Chubbs. Let's go for it, y'all. This joker heavy, son. I'm feeling them spices. Got them chips right there, y'all. Look. Got that crunch. Got the spices from the onions. Every time Rhonda and Stevie, my cousins, come here, they gotta hit up Tony's. If you went to Central High School, at lunchtime you came to Tony's. This is what it is, y'all. Hebrew National 100% kosher beef, friends. Let's get it on the grill. Ooh, it's hotter than the mug out here, y'all.
And then it felt like I went up.
They out here talking. They not gonna be helping at all, y'all. They don't be helping. All they be talking about is basketball. All right. Did I teach my boys right? Is that all you can know is basketball? Right out of the package. You know hot dogs are done already, right? How many of y'all knew hot dogs are already cooked? But you can't tell some people that. You can't tell me hot dogs cook. Well, I ain't gonna tell y'all where I used to work. He used to work everywhere. Them jokers starting to smoke, y'all. Send them. Some of them want their hot dogs really dark. That one looks perfect to me. That one right there. But you gotta keep it kind of in there. Squeeze it as hard as you can. Boom. You feel me? And just keep doing that. Keep holding it. It's long. You're only gonna be able to hold it for 1 second, 2 seconds. Look at that. That looks good, right, y'all? I know that looks good. Like you're going to be able to start holding. Another thing, I'm saying this what got me all the way right done. All right, y'all. Some of them want their hot dogs burnt. I don't. I just want mine's well done. I like my hot dogs burnt. I mean one right now. I want that one right there. Let me just keep flipping them. Oh, they getting done. That was a perfect flip on them too. Woo, that joker hot. Y'all thought this was a game. Let's get that one right there. Woo. See that y'all got that little black grill left. Let's throw that on there. I don't want to eat that right now. Put a little mustard because the sun's right behind you. Sometimes it's hard to see that. Let's put that on it like that. Word is born. I'm ready, y'all. Look, y'all, I got that hot dog. Got that hot dog, y'all. Hot dog. That's good. Who made them hot dogs? Y'all know I do like hot dogs. May not be the most healthiest thing for you, but it's pretty healthy.
My little brother, man.
You don't see my toes curling? You know how you get excited and your toes start curling? I'm happy with the Hebrew National. On to the next one. Right now I'm on 14th Avenue and 9th Street. And we're about to go into the world's first Italian hot dog spot. That's where the Italian hot dog was invented, y'all. Right across the street right there. Like I said, we're on 9th Street and 14th Avenue. We about to walk up here and see what it's all about. This is where it all originated, y'all. This is what Jimmy Buff created, the Italian hot dog. That's the double, that's the single. You know what, just go ahead and give me a single. See, deep frying those potatoes, y'all. And that's the hot dog right there. Putting it on, hold up. Hold up. Ha. Let's get them hands in there. It's looking good. You got the mustard in the bottom. Oh, jump. All right, and that ketchup on, y'all. That's perfect. All right, y'all, I got my bag right there. I got my bag. You can tell this is like even old school. See the brick facing on here? That's original stuff, man, right there. Look at this. Look at that right there. Let's spin it, man. See that right there? Don't that look really good? Let's go for it, right? All right, the potatoes. These potatoes are like the flat ones. The potatoes wasn't cooking right there on the grill. She had to go back and get them. And I said, I hope they taste like they were just made fresh. The potatoes are delicious. That's delicious, y'all. Ooh, wow. There's something here different about them potatoes. And now every time I start eating this, I forget, is that the other hot dog, the Italian hot dog spots, I think the potatoes are cut more in a chunky cut. These look like they were sliced straight through, right? That's good. I haven't even eaten a hot dog yet. I gotta get these potatoes off here. She said some people get an Italian hot dog with no potatoes. That's not an Italian hot dog. But I think I mentioned this before. We did used to get a potato sandwich when I was young. That's just the potatoes, the onions, and the peppers. I'm gonna take some of these potatoes off. Can y'all see the onions and bell peppers in there? Well, let's go for it. That's good. One thing I like about Dickie D's though, it's always crowded. So he's turning over that fresh food constantly. It wasn't that crowded in here. But Dickie D's at lunchtime they crowded, after school they crowded. As soon as they open, people start coming in. The same with Jimmy Buff's up in Orange, in West Orange. How you doing? It's all good. What'd you get? What'd you get? Come on over. What'd you get? What'd you get?
What happened? I got a double Italian.
You had them before?
Yeah.
Are they the truth?
They've been the truth since way before these people even got
You hear that, y'all? She said they've been the truth way before these people got here. They good stuff,
shade.
right? No shade, no shade.
Go to Jersey City. It's a place called Jimmy John's.
She said Jimmy John's in Jersey City. Okay.
It was the only spot.
Yeah.
They have one in Newark, downtown Newark on
Yeah.
Halsey, but they don't have it there anymore. They closed down. So it's
Okay.
one left
Jimmy
in
John's.
Jersey. Jimmy John's.
What do they sell?
Sub sandwiches.
Okay.
Gourmet.
Okay.
They're gourmet. That was one of my first
Where was
jobs.
Jimmy John's on Halsey? In Brantford?
It's where Peter Square is right now.
Ooh, I'm
And
glad
make
you
sure you get the kickin' ranch.
get the kickin' ranch. Y'all hear that? We're gonna go to Jersey City, y'all, at Jimmy John's. Check it out.
I'm telling you.
Take it easy, sis. Thank you. All right, y'all. Once you get fresh pizza bread and you put some bell peppers and onions on them, put a little mustard at the bottom, top it off with these potatoes. That's that irresistible flavor. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you with the right cat now. I love you, cat. Signing off from here at the Italian hot dog spot on 9th Street and 14th Avenue. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.